Okay. Hello friends, myself Dr. Sanjeet Kumar. Today we are going to discuss on the topic Indian legal system. Indian legal system. So Indian legal system is based on the three factors: IPC, CRPC or IEA. So first, Indian Penal Code. Indian Penal Code, IPC. Penal means penalty. Penalty means punishment. Indian Penal Code. This Indian Penal Code defines crime and punishment. This defines crime or offense and also for punishment. This IPC. This is the oldest system. It enacted at 1860 and it has 511 section, 511 section for this IPC. Indian Penal Code means penal means penalty, penalty means punishment. They define crime and the punishment. This is the oldest system. This comes at 1860 and it has 511 section. Okay, second, Criminal Procedure Code. It means it has procedure. Means any place crime will happen, then the police will come, then inquiry will happen, then arrest of the accused, then trial, then verdict, then the punishment. This all steps comes under CRPC. It is enacted in 1974. This is the newest system, latest system, 1974, and it has 484 section. It has 484 section. Okay. Then third one is Indian Evidence Act, IEA. Indian Evidence Act, it enacted in 1872 and tells about the different types of evidence and the recording of evidence. Tells about the different types of evidence. This is the Indian Evidence Act. So we have to focus about the evidence. So it tells about the different types of evidence and the recording of evidence. Okay, here we are going to study important IPC. IPC 44. IPC 44 defines injury. IPC 44 defines injury. IPC 45 defines life. And IPC 46 defines death. How we will remember this? ILD. ILD. In medicine, we are studying ILD. In the medicine, one disease there, interstitial lung disease. ILD means interstitial lung, remembering by ILD. I means injury, 44. 45 life and D for death. Death 46. ILD 44, 45, 46. Then IPC 82 defines if a child is less than 7 years of age and he will do the crime, then he will not be liable for crime. He will not be punishable. Then IPC 83, it defines if the child is 7 to 12 years of age and he will do the crime, then he will be liable for crime. And liability depends on the maturity, and the maturity decided by the court. And the IPC 84, it defines insane or McNaughton rules or right or wrong test. 84, McNaughton rules, insane. If the person is insane or mad and he will do the crime, then it will comes under 84. 84 IPC, he will not be liable for crime. Okay. IPC 85. IPC 85 defines involuntary drunkenness. Involuntary drunkenness means सपोज कोई सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक अगर ले रहा है, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक में अगर नशीला पदार्थ मिला दिए उसमें, उसको पता नहीं कि नशीला पदार्थ मिला हुआ, उसने ड्रिंक किया और ड्रिंक करने के बाद वो नशे में कोई क्राइम करता है, तो अगर क्राइम किया तो वो नॉट लायबल फॉर पनिशमेंट, नॉट लायबल फॉर क्राइम. दिस इज इनवॉलंटरी ड्रंकनेस. और 86 इज वॉलंटरी ड्रंकनेस. 85 involuntary drunkenness, not liable for crime, but voluntary drunkenness means he is willing to take drink and he will do the crime intentionally. So he will punishable and he will not be punishable. Then 87 IPC. 87 IPC defines minimum age for the consent for the major procedure is 18 years. Minimum age for the consent in major procedure is 18 years. Means less than 18 years child cannot give consent for the major procedure. This comes under 87. Then 88, for the medical procedure, consent is mandatory. It comes under 88. Then 89 IPC. 89 IPC defines minimum age for the consent for the physical examination is 12 years. For physical examination, consent is 12 years. Means less than 12-year-old child, he cannot give consent for the physical examination also. So 89 IPC. Then 90, IPC 90 defined consent given under insanity, influence, intoxication is invalid. If a person is giving consent, person is insane, and influence, he is influenced by someone, and intoxicated, it will be invalid. How will you remember? 90 is look like I, and insanity I, influence I, intoxication I, invalid I. 90 IPC. Then 92, in emergencies, no need to get consent. Then IPC 191. 191 defines perjury. It defines perjury. Perjury means giving false evidence after taking oath. Giving false evidence in court after taking oath. This is called perjury. They define the perjury 191. And then 193 for punishment. This is punishment. D for definition or P for punishment. So IPC, it defines offense or crime and also for punishment. This is for punishment. 193 IPC for perjury punishment. If a person is giving false evidence after taking oath in the court, then he will be punishable. This comes under 193. Then 197 IPC, this is for punishment for the false certificate issue. If a doctor is issuing false certificate, medical certificate or any certificate, so this comes under 197. False medical certificate, a false certificate issue. Then 201 for punishment for the disappearance of evidence intentionally. 201 means disappearance of evidence intentionally. This is called 201 IPC for punishment. Then IPC 299 for definition for culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Culpable homicide not amounting to murder comes under 299. And IPC 300 definition for murder. This is culpable homicide not amounting to murder, and this is for murder. What is the difference between culpable homicide not amounting to murder and amounting to murder? Means murder 299 and 300. Suppose A और B दो इंसान, A ने B को चाकू मारा और मारने के बाद भाग गया वहां से. तो दो कंडीशन, या तो दो कंडीशन हो सकता है यहाँ पे, या तो जो विक्टिम है या तो डेथ हो सकता है या सर्वाइव कर सकता है. लेकिन सेकेंड पर्सन क्या है यहाँ, सेकेंड जो मर्डर, तो एक ए पर्सन बी को चाकू मारा, बार बार चाकू मार रहा है, ठीक है, बार बार 4, 5, 6 बार चाकू मारने के बाद जब वो मर गया, डेथ उसका हो गया, तब वहाँ से वो भाग रहा हो. मतलब क्या है, दोनों के इंटेंसिटी में डिफरेंस है. एक में इंटेंसिटी क्या, सिर्फ हर्ट करना, उसको चाकू मार करके वो भाग गया, तो या तो वो बच सकता है या मर सकता है, वो बच भी सकता है या मर भी सकता है, लेकिन उसको उससे मतलब नहीं सिर्फ हर्ट करना था. सेकंड क्या है कि इसको इंश्योर करना है कि मरना है, उसको चाकू बार बार मार करके उसका इंश्योर करेगा कि उसका डेथ हो जाए, फिर भागेगा वहाँ से. तो दिस इज murder 300 and 299 for culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Means there is difference in intensity of the crime. This is all about IPC. Thank you.